Let's get your Spectrum Internet up and running. This section covers the essentials for a smooth setup. First, make sure you have your Spectrum account details handy. Then, unbox your modem and router, checking for the coaxial, Ethernet, and power cables. Connect the coaxial cable to the modem's RF port, and then connect the modem to your router using the Ethernet cable in the WAN port. Power on both devices. Now, download the Spectrum Internet app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign in and follow the on-screen prompts to scan the QR code on your modem or enter its serial number. The app will handle the activation process, usually in under 10 minutes. Finally, run a speed test within the app to confirm your internet connection is working correctly. A weak coaxial signal is a common issue. If the app indicates a problem, ensure the coaxial cable is securely connected. If you're in a rural area, you might need a signal booster. Another key factor is device placement. Keep it away from areas that can cause interference. Use the Spectrum Internet app to diagnose connection issues, like port forwarding. For gamers, use the app to enable gaming modes for optimal performance. Remember, Spectrum's app includes AI-driven setup assistance to help with common issues. If you're still struggling, the app can connect you with a virtual technician. The app will also automatically run firmware updates, so make sure the device is connected for maximum compatibility. One last tip for secure connections: make sure to use WPA3 encryption.